In this video, you will learn how to properly signal a mobile crane.
Today we're going to be going over how to signal the crane, whether it's voice signals or hand signals. Knowing how to communicate properly with the crane is essential to keeping everybody safe and getting the job done efficiently. Prior to operation, meet with your operator to agree on communications being used, whether it's voice signals or hand signals or both. Give a detailed description to your operator. You want to paint a picture in his head, especially if he can't see the load. The majority of the time you'll be using radios to communicate, so it's important to make sure that your radios are plugged in the night before so you have a full battery to operate on the next day. When you're communicating with your operator, if you're standing next to a radio, make sure to turn it down so that it doesn't drown your voice out. If giving hand signals, the signalman should maintain constant visual with the operator during the entirety of the lift. Remember, only one person can give the operator signals. Unless unsafe conditions occur, anybody on the job site has the authority to give an emergency stop command. Make sure when you're signaling your operator, give him a distance, whether it be in feet or inches. For example, I want the operator to cable up 5 feet. I'm going to depress my button for 1 second before I speak. Cable up 5 feet, 1 foot, 3 feet, 4 feet, hold that. Once your load is hoisted to the desired height, you will signal to your operator which direction to swing. Swing left 10 feet, 8, 5, 3, 1, hold that. Now we'll have the operator swing right 10 feet. Swing right 10 feet. 8 feet, 5 feet, 3 feet, 2 foot, hold that. Now I'm going to have the operator boom up. When the crane booms up, the load will swing closer to the crane. I'll depress my button for a second, boom up 5 feet, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold that. Notice how when I tell the operator to boom up, the load comes closer to the crane, but it also raises higher. If I want the load to move closer towards the crane, but stay at the same height, I'll tell the operator to boom up and cable down at the same time. I'll depress my button, boom up 5 feet, cable down, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold that. Another term for this function is called boom up, hold your load. If I want the load to move away from the crane, I'll tell the operator to boom down. Boom down 5 feet, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold that. If you want the load to move away from the crane but stay at the same height, you'll tell your operator to boom down and cable up. Boom down 5 feet and cable up. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold that. Another term for this is boom down, hold your load. At the beginning of the day, the operator will set his boom length to reach everything in the fly zone. You will rarely have to tell the crane operator to extend or retract his boom. In the situation that you need your crane operator to extend his boom, notice as the operator extends his boom, the load will travel away from the crane as well as increase in height. Extend boom 5 feet, 4, 3 feet, 2 feet, 1 foot, hold that. If you want the operator to retract the boom, the load will travel towards the crane and lower at the same time. Retract the boom 5 feet. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold that. If I want the operator to lower the load, I will signal cable down with the distance. Cable down 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, 1 foot. Hold that. If you do not have radios, but you have a direct line of sight to your operator, you can use hand signals.